We've arrived at Brands Hatch. What are we going to see today then, Ayrton?
Track racing and fireworks.
Whose idea was this, Ayrton?
Mine.
Do we think we're going to have a good day?
Yeah.
That's all right then.
So we're just about to get our stuff together, and then we're going to be looking at see what we can see. Daddy?
Yeah, that's the plan. So, getting bags out.
Ready to see track racing. The bump.
An interesting experience.
Yep.
Yeah, there you go. Cheers.
Have a good day.
Come on then. What can you see, Ayrton? There's the monster truck over there. Shall we see how much that is later? Do you want to have a go on it maybe? I guess I can see yes. He's found toy cars. We've been in here about 10 minutes so far, so I don't know when I'm going to get him back. True to form, no trip to Brands Hatch for Ayrton is complete without a trip to the playground. The only mystery was it managed to take this long. Yeah, I'm going to have trouble getting him off there. Get this straight, because the entertainment area isn't open yet, you have got to have an ice cream. Is that right? Well, he knows what he wants. Well, after a lot of complaining about how a lot of things aren't early yet, the boy has finally found a way to make himself happy. Is that good, Ayrton?
Yes.
Is it big enough, Ayrton?
Yes.
Are you making a mess? We may have to wash that face in a bit.
And jumper.
God's sake. He's off on the adventure on the play area. And he's disappeared. So, cliche number one, Ayrton eating jelly rolls. Ayrton, the normal tunnel bit the cars come through, the truck is too big to fit through them. So they've got to come in another way. Yeah.
And
He doesn't care, he has a Lamborghini Countach. There you go.
so I have a Clone Wars car as well as a Lamborghini Countach. The first track race is about to start. That's probably the track's horns.
Oh yeah, they're coming now.
Okay. Wait.
Coming through, Ayrton. Be coming through down that way, mate, okay? Look out down that way.
I see them. Why have the truck stopped? And I can take pictures.
I think Ayrton seems quite enjoying this. Oh wow. He's found tasks in the booklet He's determined that we have to find certain things. I think there might be the other way. Ayrton, what are we looking for? What are you looking for? It's looking for them. Okay, well, we'll have a look then.
How's that?
What do you say, Ayrton? Well, the boy has managed to get himself a hat by being Ayrton.
Yes.
So, another one for the collection. Do you like the hat? Excellent. Okay then.
And Apollo ties.
Yeah. Oh, you got to drop the sponsor name in, haven't you? Who? Which team gave it to you?
Apollo tires.
Okay. So, Ayrton has just found his way into yet another car. How's it doing in there, Ayrton? Does that feel good? I think he's happy. He's found his way into yet another car. Oh dear. We're on a dragon hunt. Okay, gotta find the dragon. Where's the dragon?
Red Dragon Monster Truck!
Where's the dragon?
Where are you?
Where can we find the dragon? I can hear a dragon.
There it is!
He's found the dragon. Where's the dragon? Yeah, but will we be able to get on the dragon?
That's the only question.
That is the question.
Only one.
Only.
Alex Kersley is there in second place at Rocky Pavilion, side by side heading into
Hello!
Druids for the
Truck racing is just about to start. As you can see, 2 of the trucks have already come out. Make that 3. Make that 3 or 4.
Yes, I know.
This is the final truck race of the day, and it's probably the whole year. And probably the whole year. The trucks are starting to come out for their parade lap, and then it will be the actual race itself. That is probably just a tow truck, safety car truck. That's probably After this race will be some fireworks. Sounded like one of them just busted a wheel, and now 2 of them are off the track. Luckily they're both okay. A lot of tire tracks and sand dust. Here they come! And I just say, go any of them! You're not going to want to hear this part probably. The microphone's tickling my nose.
Make sure it's not in gear or anything, I guess.
It's a track in gear.
Thanks.
No problem.
Was that good?
Aside from you nearly blowing the engine up, you did quite a good job there.
We've blown.
So, Ayrton, have you had a good time today?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's been your best point? Are you looking forward to the fireworks? Well, I love the...
I have brown on my mouth, do I?
That's what you're concerned about.
It's to move.
Apparently so. Do you think the fireworks are going to be good? Excellent.
The lights are flashing like crazy on the tracks.
Yep, they are.
The race will soon start as it is tonight. Actually, it is night. And the flashing and the lights on the tracks are flashing like crazy.
So, Ayrton prepares to ride the dragon. He's finding his spot. He's all ready. He's stolen my seat. You ready, Ayrton? You looking forward to this? What's your opinion of that, Ayrton?
Awesome! So we're in the car, finally finished with our day at Brands Hatch. Forget about the fact my mouth is round. I got another poster from the Red Dragon.
You don't need to pull it out now.
No, I'm just pulling out my holding there. So that's my final video of the day.
Ayrton got bored listening to me try and do my own intro to it, so he decided to fold down the mirrors. Why?
See through me.
One of you's enough.
No, I think 3 of me would. Actually, you're quite right. The trucks will come back soon. Within the meantime, we're going to see the car.
They're now lining up, mate, to do their parade lap. They've just gone round to the grid, and when they're all there, they'll line up to do their parade lap, and then they'll start after that.
False alarm at the parade lap part.
They might not start for another 5 minutes, so you may as well stop that video until they do.
Later, fans, and wait for another video of Ayrton Nova.